Hey, what's up? Just torquing down the last ball on the Honda CRV. As you can see, we got it all done. Everything's done. We already took it to the alignment shop. We installed the camber kit, adjustable camber kit with the spacers. The front end was, I didn't really record the front end because I just wanted to finish, but it was kind of easier than the back. And the subframe is just 4 spacers on each side, and then you gotta put your torque mount spacers on both sides, and the motor mount spacers, and you gotta replace this bad boy. This was the hardest thing for me because the kit comes with an extended one. And oh yeah, I forgot to mention, the kit does not come with this. I had to buy this separately. The camber kit, adjustable camber, and the spacer. Other than that, oh yeah, and the strut spacers up here. Other than that, everything else comes in the kit. So yeah, let's go test it. Let's go have some fun. guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed our little adventure. I'm really tired. I'm gonna go get some rest. Thanks for watching. We will see you later.